Today we're here in Paris at the Segway Navimow launch event for the 2026 season, and the company is presenting its robotic lawnmower lineup. This is not about a single product, but about a complete restructuring of Navimow's range. This is a first-hand look at what is new, how the lineup is structured, and how the different models are meant to be used in real gardens. The main change this year is that Navimow now clearly separates its product by garden size and complexity. You can see very clearly which product is designed for which type of garden and which level of complexity. That makes this launch more practical than previous generations. At the center of the lineup is a new flagship model, but the surrounding products are just as important to understand. The X4 is clearly the highlight of the launch. Navimow positions it as their flagship model for large and complex gardens. It's built to handle tough terrain with ease, stable on steep slopes, confident over obstacles, and smooth across uneven ground. No wheel spinning, no lawn damage, no getting stuck in muddy areas. One of the key elements here is the zero-turn all-wheel drive. The X4 delivers a powerful four-wheel drive performance, enabling the mower to tackle slopes up to 84% and overcome vertical obstacle up to 7 centimeters. It is all-terrain dominated and powers through steep slopes, potholes and muddy patches without getting stuck or slipping. It blends traction with agile steering to deliver zero-turn precision without damaging the grass. Another important point is efficiency. The X4 is designed to cover very large areas within a single day, which is relevant for outdoor spaces. It also takes meticulous care of lawn edges and offers flexible mowing plans for different zones. This makes the X4 feel more like a professional solution for an ultimate mowing experience and a high-quality lifestyle. Navimow puts a strong focus on wire-free setup for the X4. There are no boundary wires and no visible antennas placed in the garden. This allows for quick drop and mow. Unbox, connect, press start, your mower performs right away. Gain back time, freedom, and a perfect lawn without the hassle. Also great is the hands-free convenience. Let the robot map the garden for you and set your hands free. Once the initial map is created, it can be adjusted in the app using a realistic top-down view of the garden. Zones, schedules, and mowing preferences can be defined digitally and refined over time. For large and complex gardens, this reduces the initial setup effort significantly. In daily use, the X4 is presented as a system that runs quietly and continuously in the background, with obstacle detection and safety systems handling most situations automatically. Another model presented here is the i2 AWD, which sits at the entry level of the lineup. Its advanced AWD system ensures stability across all terrains while preserving lawns, and it is a versatile and easy-to-use robotic mower with all-around capabilities designed for small lawns with effortless, worry-free operation. It is designed for small to medium-sized lawns that include slopes, uneven areas, or mixed surfaces. Compared to simpler two-wheel drive mowers, the all-wheel drive system is meant to provide better stability, especially on inclines and wet grass. The focus here is reliability and ease of use. The i2 AWD is intended for users who want a wire-free mower that works consistently without requiring much configuration. It is clearly positioned as a practical solution that offers great value for money. The i2 LiDAR, on the other hand, focuses on ease of installation and signal independence. Skip the hassle, drop and mow. Simply unbox, press start and experience effortless mowing like never before. Instead of relying heavily on satellite positioning, it uses a LiDAR-based navigation system combined with vision sensors. It delivers consistently stable performance in complex scenarios, supported by advanced sensing and reliable obstacle detection. The idea here is simplicity. You place the mower, start the process, and it maps the garden on its own without manual boundary setup. For users who want the lowest possible setup effort, this model is clearly aimed at reducing friction. Next up is the i2 LiDAR Pro right over here. It has a powerful triple fusion system paired with AWD drive technology, offering practical engineering, advanced performance, and outstanding cost effectiveness. This model uses a high-resolution solid-state LiDAR combined with network RTK and vision-based triple fusion, working together with the zero-turn AWD system. Compared to the i2 series, it is more efficient, easier to set up, and significantly stronger when it comes to obstacle avoidance and handling complex garden layouts. This makes it particularly well-suited for medium-sized gardens with demanding terrain, where slopes, obstacles, and uneven surfaces need to be managed reliably. Within the lineup, the i2 LiDAR Pro positions itself as a bridge between the compact i2 models and the larger flagship model. The H2 series is positioned as a more premium and fully managed option. It combines multiple navigation technologies to ensure stable operation in almost any environment. This includes areas with signal obstructions, narrow passages, and complex layouts. The focus is not on extreme terrain, but on consistency and reliability. The H2 is meant for users who want a system that works across different garden conditions without needing to think about which technology is currently active. Beyond stable performance, it also stands out for precise obstacle avoidance and a notably simple, hassle-free setup. Looking at the lineup as a whole, the structure now feels much clearer. Each model has a defined role and target use case. Instead of choosing based on technical terms, users can now choose based on garden size, layout complexity, and personal preferences regarding setup and automation. This makes the lineup easier to understand and more predictable in daily use. From a first impression, this launch feels great. As a leading brand for wire-free robotic mower, Navimow keeps exploring new technologies and innovations to make lawn care easier and more enjoyable for everyday users. The X4 defines the upper limit of what is possible, while the other models translate that technology into more accessible formats. The interesting part will be how these systems perform outside of a launch environment over longer periods and in real gardens. To wrap this up, this launch event was less about individual features and more about structure and direction. Navimow now designs very suitable solutions for different gardens and different users. The X4 is the top-tier flagship technology benchmark, while the i2 and the H2 are tailored solutions for different gardens and user needs. Clear positioning, clear use cases, and a lineup that feels easier to understand than before. If you're interested in finding out more about the individual models as well as the specification and availability, make sure to check the description box below the video.